Samsung One UI 7 update starts rolling out from April 7. Check eligible Galaxy phones, how to install and more. Samsung One UI 7 update based on Android 15 was unveiled with the Galaxy S25 series in January, and the much delayed version is now expected for older devices. Samsung will finally start the Android 15 rollout for its existing devices from this week onwards. The company had announced the One UI 7 release date for older Galaxy models, and we are close to the timeline. The Android 15 based One UI 7 version was introduced with the Galaxy S25 series earlier this year, and after a long delay, the company seems finally ready to release the Android update for its older Galaxy devices. Samsung One UI 7 update. These devices will get it in April 2025. And all the devices mentioned in the list are 1 year old, including the latest Galaxy foldable models that were introduced in 2024. Having said that, the company has a slew of mid-range Galaxy F, M, and A series phones that are not mentioned in the list but likely to get the Android 15 update in the next few months. Samsung claims that the One UI 7 update will bring a bold new design for greater personalization and control to the user experience. Many customers have expressed their frustration over its delayed release. The majority of the other smartphone brands like Xiaomi, OnePlus, Sony, and Motorola rolled out the Android 15 update in November last year. Samsung has been really late with the Android 15 rollout, especially since the new version was introduced with the Galaxy S25 series in January this year. People have not been impressed with the speed of the update moving to older devices, and its supposed 7-year OS support is now looking less promising with these delays. Nan.